Hi, welcome to Chili's.
We're about to go off, sis.
Hey, what's up? Hello everybody, it's your boy, back again. If you're new to my channel, no, I'm not British, I'm just a crackhead. Welcome. If you're not new, hello again. So I'm in the bathroom, if you couldn't tell. The echo in here is f***ing crazy.
Yeah, man, the acoustics, like I can play my guitar and I can hear all the echoes.
Ew. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it. Also, speaking of hair, I'm gonna do something very self-destructive today. Okay, so if you couldn't tell by just looking at me, my hair sort of looks like a mop recently. I'm the type of person who likes to procrastinate my life away. If it's like, you have a month to do one assignment, how does 5 minutes before it's due sound? My mind. And haircuts, they kind of scare me. If you didn't know, I used to be a hair channel. I didn't cut my hair for like 4 years because I was basically kind of lazy. Oh my god, it's basically been like half a year since I got my last haircut. I don't know, man. I just have a thing about getting my hair cut. It's kind of stressful, anxiety, scary. So I thought, what better way to cut my hair than to do it myself? That's not scary at all. What is wrong with my brain? Okay, so I basically spent like the last 3 hours watching how to trim my bang tutorials on YouTube. And I also got a lot of inspiration from that video of where Jin from BTS cut his own bags in the mirror.
앞이 안 보여서 머리를 자르겠습니다. 네? 네? 오, 잘 보여, 잘 보여. 오, 좋아. 좋아. 뭔가...
Don't ask me why that video inspired me to cut my hair, cause crackheads only. Am I right, ladies? I'm actually pretty confident. It doesn't seem that hard. I'd say my success rate is about like 30%. Maybe 29%. Anyways, if worst comes to worst, I can just ask someone to fix it for me after. But let's try my own, because that's fun. Okay, so I'm just doing a little bit more studying before the final exam before I actually cut my hair and go through with it. I should be feeling a little bit more confident after studying, but I'm feeling more nervous now. Step 1, choose the right scissors. I was talking to a few of you guys on Twitter and someone said that they actually cut their own bangs with like children's scissors. So I feel like these are like half a step up from children's scissors. These are like big boy scissors. That's me, I'm a big boy. Also, did I just what? Don't point scissors in your face. While I was going to the bathroom, I wanted to hide my shame of cutting my hair myself, so I hid these in my pocket, like sticking up like that. It just felt like a tiny little gnome was stabbing me every time I took a step. It's probably a sign that I shouldn't go through with this. Oh, but speaking of not doing this, I actually brought some newspaper to actually lay on the ground so I don't make a huge mess. Preparedness, y'all. Because the first step into not making your parents like kick you out of the house is to not make a mess. So I'm just gonna lay some of this on the ground just so hair doesn't get in everywhere. My niece Erica is a fan of the Pats and the Mats. What is that? Is that sports? Because I don't know, man.
Ooh, blueberries on sale for $4. That's pretty good.
We also have some laundry detergent that's on sale. Some palm olive. I always thought it was called palm olive because there was olive oil in the soap, so it makes your hands soft. Or is it called palmolive? Oh god, I feel like I'm just distracting myself from going through with this. Please, Jin, bless me. Bless me with your... Alright. So the first thing we want to do is... I forget, help me. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is just comb your hair into sections. So this is usually how I part my hair. I part it right here. Okay. Also, what is this little thing right here? Like, can you just chill, please? Okay, so I'm just gonna section off this part. Oh look, there's already hair in the sink. Do I have alopecia? Okay, so I think I successfully sectioned off the hair. Nope, no I didn't. That's a lie. What the fuck is going on? So they were telling me to work in smaller sections first, just so I don't fuck myself up, which I'm probably gonna do. Oh no, I just messed up my hair. Ah! Hey, yeah. After you do that, you just want to take your hair like this, is what I was told, and just chop from the bottom up, I think. Oh god, I'm scared. I think I'm doing it too straight, because the point with my hair is that it's like side swept, right? So it should be shorter here on the side and then longer here.
Oh no, I'm already messing up.
Whoa, that's actually not too bad. Let's just chop a little bit more off. Okay, this is scary. Jin, how did you do this? Jin has big dick energy. He literally straight up went like this. Okay, let's I forgot that when you cut your hair, hair falls onto the ground. Hello, hair. Just wait, there might be more of you. Maybe I should cut a little bit on the top here, because this part is my bang as well. Is this how you do it? And then you just do a little everything looks like an enigma. Okay, I feel like nothing happened, so I just want to cut like a little bit more. I think this is where the video is gonna go wrong. Oh no, that was scary. Oh, okay, that's what happened. It's very blunt right there. I feel like my Aries is showing. I'm sort of losing my patience. Also, I was cutting my hair without looking. Also, don't do that. It's like driving without looking. Oh my god, I just tried to chop my finger off. Ow. I think that's better. They're definitely not past my eyes anymore. Oh god, I'm nervous. Okay, let's put this down and take a quick peek. Okay, that's actually not too bad at all. Did the hairdresser jump out or what? Hello, scene kid. Hello, emo bangs. Hello, Korean see-through bangs. Onion. Onion hash brown juiceo. I was really nervous that I was gonna mess up and Brad Mondo would have been all over that, but sorry, maybe next time. Probably next time. Okay, so we can't just cut this side and not cut the other sides. I feel like this side is gonna be a little more anticlimactic because all I have to do is just go. I should have started with this side first because this is the easier side. You love how I move you love how I touch you, my one. Is this how short the other side was? I'm not even gonna check, I'm just gonna do it. Because we're living life on the edge today. I'm actually having a little bit of an adrenaline rush. I've actually never cut my hair by myself like this before. Okay, well first of all, I was a hair channel and then I started doing K-pop posting stuff and then now I am a art channel turned back into a hair channel. We're really going back to my roots. Is this okay? I don't know. Let's take a look. I'm taking this big ass chunk and just trimming it just because I feel like it's the right thing to do. I don't even know why. It's just hairdresser's instinct. You know what I mean? Okay, well, it definitely is shorter. I don't know if it looks good, but it's shorter, which is what I wanted. Okay, well, I guess we'll just let it sit for a couple of days and see what happens. I don't know if this video was what you expected or if it was entertaining, but yes. Oh god, I'm covered in hair. After you cut your hair, do you have to wash it? Because I have to work early tomorrow. Several days later. Hello, everybody. So this is my hair after washing it. So it kind of looks the same, but you can definitely, well, I can definitely tell that it's a lot shorter. This is my hair 1 week on watching hair cutting tutorials. Well, I guess we'll see how it looks in the morning. I'm one of those people who likes to shower at nighttime. I'm not one of those crazy morning shower people. A few inches later. Hello, this is my hair a week and a half after watching haircut tutorials. Actually, I think it's been about 5 days. Did I even cut anything off? Also, I don't know why in the last video my hair looked so dry. Hello, straw. It looks like when an Asian mom cooks steak. I'll have it triple well done, please. This image is very triggering. I look like a potato. Well, that's that. If you guys like my content and want to support me, give this video a little like and leave a comment just to help with my engagement. I can't do shit like this without engagement. Well, I guess I could. You guys are probably enabling me to do this stuff. Well, until next time, crack fam. Bye. Do I want to call you guys that? I feel like I don't want to call you guys that. Because if I do, demonetization is going to be on my ass.